Lost Nomads take 27. So we're at Svartifoss, and Foss stands for falls. That's why when we were at Gullfoss and Skogafoss, they were all giant waterfalls. I know, you're getting sick of all the waterfalls. There's tons of videos, there's tons of photos of waterfalls. But guess what? These are friggin' glacier-fed waterfalls. How cool is that to know that every single waterfall that we've taken photograph or video of has come directly melting off of a glacier up top. So, if you zoom in a little bit, you can kind of see the architecture, or not the architecture, the striations from the rocks, which have been formed like that, obviously naturally. And the cathedral that we photographed while we were in Reykjavik is based specifically off these images. Maybe we'll be able to edit one together and we can show like a split screen so you can see the difference between the two. So one thing I wanted to mention I didn't say in the last video was that there's a very nearby volcano that erupted in 1996 that led to a giant flood because it had two subduction zones right below this giant ice cap of glacier. And the two subduction zones were volcanoes. Once they erupted, it just melted all the ice, it flowed and created a giant flood, and it reached the ocean. And that was massive, and we're staying pretty much right beside that. They said that that was the beginning of the heightening period of potential eruptions and activity. So if that happens while we're here...
Matt's fun fact for the day, and also a premonition of death. Wonderful.